Welcome guys, this is Big Bender Studio, and today we're going to be taking a look at the list edit versus your grid edit. Let us even know what the difference is, and that will help you to actually make smarter decisions in terms of when to use list edit and when to use the grid edit. Let's go. Welcome back. Right on my screen right here, what you're seeing right now is the list edit. And all you are seeing here is just parameters that you can work with, parameters that you can edit, modify, to the very detailed level. One of the major differences between a list edit and your grid edit is the fact that list edit allows you to edit the parameters, in a granular level. There are some features you can edit here that you cannot modify on the grid level. And I'm going to show that to you. Now, on the list edit, you can actually, if your nudge is enabled, you can move your parameters, that is your events, one tick per time. You can see, you can move it one tick per time. It gives you more control to actually specify where you want to place your event, one tick per time. So, but you cannot do that when you are in grid view. In grid view, you are only able to move to the minimum of, I think, 4 ticks per time. Let's just go to the grid view. Double click right now. You are on the grid view here. So what we have here with this, if you are trying to nudge this, okay, so what you are seeing here, if I select don't snap, because if I do not enable don't snap, it will take you to the next that's the next timing correct line for me. That's the next, yes, to keep moving it like that in that tick order for me. But I don't want that, so I will select don't snap and then move it for me. You can see it was in 360, now it's 364, 368. You can see from the image number that I showed on it, or if I press and hold it, you will see. You see, so 376, if I take it back, 372, 368, 364. I can't do 1 here, but this same thing, I can actually put it on 360, this 365, 369. I can actually put it on 370, and right now it's on 373, 369, 373. If I come back to the menu and I go here, 373, I can click on this while it's on node 4, 5. Then I come back here and if I click on this, 375. So there are sometimes what you just need to hear might be in between that 4 ticks, but you cannot achieve that in the grid view. The best bet is just go to your list edit, and then you'll be able to modify that particular timing, the event time, to the nearest 1 tick, and that, my friend, makes a whole lot of difference. Do you get? So that's just one of the major and the basic difference between your grid edit and your list edit. And another thing is basically, some other parameters that are here that you cannot actually see directly if you go to your grid view. Well, okay, fine, you have your velocity here, you access it here, all those things. But then if you come to your, sorry, let me go back here, menu, yeah, right here. If you come here, you'll be able to actually modify the value of the modification type, the velocity, like at once without having to leave just this screen. You can modify everything. You can alter the length of that particular event. This works better if it's a piano you played in and all that. If it's a drum, it doesn't really make any difference. Then you can even change the pad notes here. Okay, fine. I'm not working with 810 here. I want to select another thing. So list edit helps you to granularly and edit deeper compared to the grid edit that just allows you to move things, and there are some restrictions on it, and it's simply because of the interface. So it has to be able to move things in ticks, like in multiple ticks, so that you can actually see better what you are doing and know where you're moving. But if you need it to be further fine-tuned, list edit is the way to go. Well, that'll just be all for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful day. guys.